Dogecoin holders, let's definitely take a look at the market here. As you can see, my whole watch list is currently red, and we're starting to fall very, very quickly. If we take a look at just at the 3-minute time frame, look at this. We're starting to see a massive drop coming on Dogecoin and the overall market. Within probably the last 30 minutes, a lot of these cryptocurrencies have lost around 5 to 10%. That is going to be a lot of money that is moving out of these cryptocurrencies. A lot of money is getting sold, pulled out of. If you take a look at Dogecoin, it is currently down around 6%, and it's still continuing to fall. As I'd mentioned in my previous video, that more than likely that this was going to happen. It was just depending on when, where, and how. As of right now, with the 1 hour time frame, you can kind of see that we're pulling back. I do have a good target here for us to kind of look at on this dump. It's going to be right around the 30-cent range. I think we're going to have some volatility right here around the 33-cent range, where exactly we're heading now. Looks like Bitcoin has dropped 1%, Ethereum has dropped 2%, Shiba's dropped 5%, Pepe 5%, and Dogecoin 6%. XRP's down 11%, Stellar Loomis down 11% as well. A lot of these cryptos are starting to see a lot of momentum and pulling back slowly. So these are things you really have to kind of watch out for. With the Dogecoin movement that we're seeing right now, there is potential that we could easily pull this back. We did not break through the trend here. If you have my indicator, you can kind of see how this trend kind of plays out nicely, kind of keeping it down. Right now we're going to hit around this range here. Once we get around there, that is whenever we're going to either see a bounce, or what we're going to see is another drop down to the support of around the 30-cent range, if not falling back down to around the 27-cent range. A lot of these are starting to pull back, so there's a lot of FOMO that's been happening. A lot of people that's been getting in and out of the cryptocurrency space, along with moving money around in their portfolios. And you can kind of see just with how the movement is currently. So therefore, Dogecoin's popularity has lost from number 6 over to number 7. So another cryptocurrency had took over the number 6 spot, putting Dogecoin back in number 7 according to Coinbase. Typical hold time for Dogecoin is 105 days with a circulating supply of 146 billion. Volume is 7.4 billion with a market cap of 52.4 billion. Dogecoin had over 20 billion plus in the last 24 hours, just right around 72 hours ago. So you really have to kind of take a look at that and say, where is all this volume going? So there's a lot of volume that come in and come out. Usually you'll see this when people is FOMOing, emotionally trading, and when there is a lot of FUD or speculation coming into the altcoin or meme coin itself. The market cap sitting around 52.4 billion. The other day is right around 60 billion. It's definitely going to be dependent on what is happening next. I do think that Dogecoin hitting $1 could happen, but it's going to take some time. We're going to need over $100 billion added in market cap to Dogecoin for it to hit that dollar price target. But I do also believe that Dogecoin could potentially get closer to that 50-cent range after we see a little bit of a pullback. As you guys know, we're currently overbought on Dogecoin and a lot of cryptocurrencies. So indicating a pullback and a consolidation period is definitely going to be something that we see in the present or the near future. Whenever you start to see these type of movements, there'll be a lot of people kind of panicking. But these are the times that holders are going to be the ones that learn how to hold, or that they're going to be the ones that figure out they're emotional traders. Remember, I am not a financial advisor. It's just entertainment purposes only, so make sure you do your due diligence. I do think that with this little dump here, we're going to get around this 33-cent range. If we break below that, we're going to see it get down to around the 30 cents, if not as low as 27 cents. But if we bounce on the 33-cent range and the market starts to recover, the price target is going to be right around 38 cents for the recovery, getting around a 6 to 10% profit, if not getting closer to that 42-cent range. If we get closer back to that 42-cent range, that means there's going to be extra volume that is coming into Dogecoin, and that's something you'll have to look at is this going to be a volume trade or a swing trade? Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe down below. Let me know what you guys think about this crypto crash. Thank you guys. Bye.